Alright, now is the time to apply what we have just learned from the previous situations to work efficiently on Excel. So let's just do this. The new assignment is called Marksheet. So what I will do is insert a new sheet by clicking on this plus sign and double click to name it as Marksheet. Now, you have to prepare a Marksheet for 5 subjects and 50 students. Okay, so whenever I write, for example, student 1, Excel identifies by default that okay, if the first is alphabet and this after that comes the number, so what Excel will do is automatically generate this number series. I'll show you right away. When I drag this down, you can notice that the number changes. In the tooltip, you can see that. So I'm at student 9 right now. So what I'll do is drag further to 50. Oops, this is 51. So 50. That's just perfect. So now I will release the left mouse key, and there you have it. I will go on the top. Okay, what I can also notice is student 1 is just about a perfect size. But if I go on student 10, it requires a little bit of more space. You know, it's a little bit congested. It's just outside this cell. So we need to adjust this. What we can do is go between these columns as this sign comes. It means that you can hold the left mouse key and then you can drag it towards right to adjust it a little bit. But if I have a size adjusted like this and I don't have to do it manually, what you can do is go between these columns, and whenever you see this sign, just double click it. Okay. Now we have to take 5 subjects. Take any subject, for instance. I will take English. I will take economics, business, math, and you can notice that it is just outside the cell. Accounting, and let's say finance. Okay. Now I want to auto adjust all these columns. What I'll do is just select first column and start moving towards right by holding the left mouse key, and then just go anywhere between any of the columns and double click to auto adjust. See, it's quite easy to do this. Alright, now is the time to test your skills. You know how to work efficiently on Excel, so I'm giving you an assignment. The assignment is that you have to prepare a mark sheet, give any random numbers. For instance, let's just say that you give marks 32, 64, any number. But keep in mind, the number should not be less than 30 and should not be greater than 90. And you only have 1 minute to do this. Just try it by yourself. Let's see whether or not you can go through this, and we will see you in the next video.